So I have good news now. So I got a new. This is. I got a new recording software just literally right now. I just got it. See, look. But this is actually my old recording software from like years ago. I love Bandicam. I don't know why I didn't get it earlier. It's because I just factory set my PC because it's slow as shit. But yeah. So this is now that I have a good recording software, I can show y'all everything. So this is how to get Project Reboot set up completely. So the first thing you want to do is search up Project Reboot Launcher. You're going to need to get the launcher. So go to Project Reboot and you're going to download launcher. Now I already have it installed, so you can download it, and I already have it installed completely. See, look, right here. So once you install everything, um, um, you're gonna need to get two things. Let's first get your Fortnite version. This is what I struggled with the absolute most when getting Project Reboot, and there's not a lot of videos to help you, so that's why I'm trying to be the one to like make a bunch of videos. There's also another guy that I inspire a lot. His name's like Cole Plays or something. I'm in his Discord, but yeah, he's one of the few also that make reboot content. So trying to be like him. And I just want to get close to Reboot, because why not? It's fun to make content for it and help others with the things I struggled with. So yeah. So you're gonna wanna go to carbon builds. Now I'm not gatekeeping this, but please don't share it with everyone you love and know, because I don't know if it's gonna get patched or the builds aren't gonna start working. But see, you have access to so much. Now, I'm planning on like downloading every single chapter builds and stuff, and so like if it does go down from being patched or something, like then I'll still have the builds and I'll give y'all it, but that's gonna be in a while because it's gonna be a lot of storage, like a bunch of Fortnite. But yeah, so you're gonna want to choose your chapter and season. I used chapter when I started chapter 3 season 1, and you're gonna I also use 19.10. So download. So 19.10 is down right now. Hold on. Is that really what I use? Oh, never mind. I use 19.01. Click plush.dev. Download. Here, I'm gonna put this in the description. So yeah, once you download your build, that's what I'm using, but you can choose whatever you want. Then you gotta wait for it to download, and then you extract it, right? So the way you extract is you go to your build. Um, it's pretty simple. And for example, the one I use, and then you just click extract all, like this, and then extract. But I'm not extracting. This shit takes a long time, especially when recording. But yeah, once you're finished extracting, we're almost done. You're gonna want to install Node.js. Now this is what allows you to use Lawin server. You're gonna go to download and download it, which I also already have. I will know, at least for me, it took a long time to download. But yeah, if you already have some of the stuff, then it should be faster than what I did, because I'm on a new factory set. So once you do that, then you should be set up for everything. Now you go to the launcher, and you're gonna go to your Fortnite version and click import, and click this little folder icon where it says game directory, and just choose your thing. So select folder, or you can double click. But one thing I will teach y'all is you can't just select a folder and boom, it works. Oftentimes you have to click into another folder, and until you get to where, this is how you know like if it's the right one, is it has Fortnite game and engine. Project Reboot will not import the version if it doesn't have engine and Fortnite game. So yeah, as long as it has those two, that's the one you write. So you select folder. Don't go to like this and select, or the very start and select, unless it has Fortnite game and engine in the folder. Then you can select it. That's how you know. So yeah, once you do that, now all you really have to do is, since you installed Node.js, is I'd recommend restarting your computer, and boom, you should be set up, and you can just launch Reboot, and you have everything. Now that I think my recording software actually shows stuff, I'm gonna show y'all the project reboot thing. So you're gonna want to enable infinite ammo. This is lobby and lobby, by the way. Infinite ammo, infinite materials, and then no MCP delete, like disable that, and so you can get skins. If you don't have that disabled, then your skins will not show. So yeah, that should pretty much get you set up. And if you want to go to Battle Royale, this will only work if you install Node, right? What do you call it? You can click Start Plus. Also, if you want help with the commands, you just do cheat help, like that, after you enable cheats. So the last thing I have to show y'all is, now that my recording software is actually decent, I'm gonna like show y'all my cheat that I've been working on in Python. It's a really simple cheat. It doesn't mess with Reboot at all, and it's nothing. It just types in the commands for you. So this is what it looks like, actually, because I've been showing the last video and it just looks like I'm clicking on absolutely nothing, because my recording software was stuck recording Reboot only. So yeah, it's gonna say, do you want 0 delay and 0 ping? You're gonna build up like always, and then click yes. Now what it's gonna do is, you have to go back to the lobby. It's gonna say waiting 2 seconds. So make sure during those 2 seconds you go to the you go into Reboot, because it's gonna type the command to give you 0 delay and put you in the void. That's how this entire thing works. So now this is the last thing I'm gonna showcase, besides the skins. Actually, skins work too, but just not on my version. Okay, I have a lot of stuff. Oh my god. Let me just drop all this. Okay, there we go. So here's the showcase. So I have absolutely nothing. You just click N. Now, if you just started using it and you click N, it's gonna enable cheats first, because none of this will work at all unless you enable cheats. Which, if you don't want to use the Python thing, it's just F2. So yeah, you click N and boom. Just wait for it. There you go. Now you get all this stuff. And the way it works is by typing all these commands really fucking fast, so it looks like. So yeah, that's how I make some of my cheats if it has console. But if not, I just use cheat engine and actually mess with the memory. But this is undetectable, and it's not even a cheat, honestly. So yeah, Reboot. This isn't a cheat. It's just like, just types in the commands that y'all made. So it's just something I made for fun, I guess. But I'm gonna update it. And then last feature, I almost forgot. See, it'll say cheats activated. So now this one, it doesn't work in my version, which I'm completely fine with anyways, but it should work in any other if you have the right JSON file. So you're gonna click K. There you go. Now you have all these skins to choose from. Like, it depends on what chapter. So 1,321 skins in total from chapter 3 season 1. So you can choose anything. I'm just gonna choose like Renegade, I guess. It's not gonna work, like I said, because of my version, but it should work for y'all. Make sure to go into game, and then it's not gonna do anything, like I said, but it will say applied CID, and that's how you know it worked. At least for you, but it's still not gonna work for me. But yeah, I'm planning on updating it and making a pickaxe thing too. You can change your pickaxe. But yeah, that's just basically all I want to show you, the beginner to Reboot. And if it doesn't let you go into lobby, like if you do the thing where you open 127.0, like you open your local server to join the game, then what do you call it? Oh yeah, by the way, since my recording stopped, it's open. I'm not gonna type in because it will trigger my thing, but open 127.0.0.1. Yeah. If I click N, it's gonna do that thing again. It's gonna be a mess, but yeah. So, that's about it for beginners. So, last thing I have to say is that what I was just talking about is that if you do the open 1, 2